The Superintendent of Police Traffic S.K. Prasad has responded to concerns raised by the All Meghalaya Khasi Tourist Taxi Association regarding parking restrictions for Meghalaya tourist taxis near Khyndai Lad, Shillong, Vivanta Parking and City Hut Dhaba, while Assam tourist taxis allegedly enjoy more flexibility. Speaking to the media, SP Prasad stated that a meeting was convened last year by the Transport Department, bringing together representatives from 9 different taxi associations. During the discussion, it was decided that tourist taxis would be assigned parking at Vivanta Parking, and the associations had agreed to avoid parking haphazardly in the Khyndai Lad area. He further clarified that the Traffic Department allows Meghalaya tourist taxis to halt at Khyndai Lad only until 7 in the morning for passenger pickups. He further clarified that the Traffic Department allows Meghalaya tourist taxis to halt at Khyndai Lad only until 7 in the morning for passenger pickups. However, he also raised concerns about unauthorized parking operations in restricted areas which contribute to increasing traffic congestion in the city. SP Prasad assured that the police department remains neutral in enforcing traffic regulations and will take strict action against any vehicle violating the rules, ensuring smooth traffic movement in Shillong.
As regards to that, I would like to mention here that yesterday at around 1:30, the presidents of all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Association, along with their members, they came to my office. And they submitted applications that they are subjected to the discriminations by the STPs in terms of the parking, whereas the Assam vehicles are being spared. So the matter is not this is not a fact that the STP is maintaining any kinds of the reservations or discrimination against anyone. The matter was raised regarding parking of tourist vehicles at the stage of the City Hut Dhaba and the Vivanta hotels. Actually, what happens that in the last year only, in the mid of the month, a meeting was organized by the additional deputy commissioners transport along with all the tourist taxi driver associations. They are having 9 associations and they work in solo. They are not coming under the one umbrella. So therefore, in order to sort out the issue of parkings, the meeting was organized at Police Reserve, and it was mutually settled by allotting the parking lot at the SBI parking lot. SBI parking lot is opposite to the SBI, there where you can accommodate at least 35 to 40 vehicles at one time. So they mutually agreed that they will start parking the vehicles there, and they will not park the vehicles in and around the police bazaar or other areas. We have given also the space to them that in the morning they can park the vehicles, the tourist vehicle they can park in police bazaar area till 7 AM in the morning, so that they can carry the passengers who are bound for different destinations. And after 7:30, since the traffic starts, we allow these people to leave the places. Thereafter, what it happens that they start parking in different nook and corners of the city. And the most important part, which I would say, that it is being mediated by the middleman, so-called the dalals. So these people, they arrange the parking of those vehicles at different locations which are restricted area and where the parking is prohibited. As you know that the traffic conditions is more in Shillong city, and in order to provide the space for everyone, we have to regulate the laws and we have to enforce the laws. And as the same the traffic police they are doing, they are not making any discriminations. We don't have any reservation towards anyone when it comes to the checking of either tinted glass or maybe the retrofitted vehicles or maybe the hidden parkings. We are enforcing the law in letter and spirits. And above that, in order to sort out the issues, now the government, they have already notified 7 sectors in entire Shillong cities, which will be headed by the additional district magistrate. Like the line departments, the PWD also will be there, the MODA will be there, the municipal will be there, and that the police officers, the concern in charge of that particular traffic branches also will be members, so that the traffic can be eased in and around the Shillong city. So that matter was informed to the presidents that if any grievances are there, we have already given the allotted parking, and that was mutually agreed by them that they will park in the designated location only. But apart from that, they started parking and they are insisting to park the vehicles in and around the Vivanta and the City Hut Dhaba, which are not being permitted, and giving the counter allegations. As such, the police are indulged in collecting the money, thereby allowing the space for others. That is not the truth. It is a baseless allegations and it is unfounded. For that reason, I have already made an inquiry with the respective in charge, the officers and the personnel. We have already spoken to them. I would like to stress on this point that if any grievances are there, if any person is aggrieved by any illegal activities being carried out by any police personnel, they are free to come to the SP's office, where the SP sir is there, SP city is there. We all officials are present there. We will inquire into the matter, and if anyone is found guilty or proved to be guilty, then strict action will be taken against them. So these kinds of the making the allegation which is unfounded, without substantial evidence, which tantamount to the defamation also, and may invite the legal actions. Because the police department as such is working in cooperation with the public. We are a public servant and we are trying our best. The traffic police, the STP, they are trying their best to deliver their best in order to decongest the city. So I would urge the concerned associations that they should refrain from making such a statement without any base or substantial proof. That is not only tarnishing the image of one individual, but it tarnishes the image of the whole police department.